Sometimes the easiest way to make modifications to a model is to move faces around by specified distances. This is especially true when you're working on solid geometry that doesn't have a feature history available, which could have been provided by a collaborator or vendor. Using a set of direct edit commands makes this simple to modify the design. You may even want to create the same design with a few different dimensional changes, depending on if you're still working on a concept or need different configurations. In this lesson, I'll show you how to modify an imported pipe bend using two direct edit commands, move and offset. To begin, I want to import an external file directly in the xDesign workspace. To do this, I can go to the Manage tab of the action bar and then click on the Import command here. In the dialog box, I'll choose the file format I'm importing. For this example, I'll be working with a SOLIDWORKS file, but there are a few other file types available, such as STEP and IGES. For now, I'll be importing a SOLIDWORKS part file type, so I'll click on Choose File, select the pipe file, and click on Import. Now I'm ready to make edits to the part. However, I want you to notice that it's been added as an imported body in the Design Manager. I could begin adding new features to the design, but if I want to make some modifications to the current geometry, I can enable Direct Edit. To do this, I can click on the Feature tab in the action bar, then go to the right, and click on Convert to Direct Edit. From here, I'll select the pipe body graphically. Then check the boxes for Recognize Fillets since I have multiple fillets included in this design. And when I click OK, the model updates and the Design Manager shows the Direct Edit command along with the fillets that were recognized by xDesign. There are two types of modifications I'd like to make. The first is thickening the mounting plates of the pipe, and the second is widening of the two holes to make them larger in diameter. To begin, I'll double-click on Direct Edit here in the Design Manager, which allows me to select the Move command from here. Now I'll click on the top face of the bracket. For now, I want to translate in the normal direction, so I'll drag the arrow to increase the thickness by 5 mm, make sure it's going upward in the right direction, and then click OK. Now you can see this bracket is thicker than the other one. I'll modify the other one to match it. I'll enable Move, rotate the model, select the outer face, translate it 5 mm in the normal direction, and click OK. The other modification I'd like to make to this pipe is to increase the size of the holes on one of the brackets by increasing the diameter. This means I'll need to offset the inner faces to be larger. This can be done by double-clicking once again on Direct Edit in the Design Manager, and then enabling the Offset command shown here, and begin by selecting one of the faces of the hole. When I click on one of them, I can drag the face outward to increase its size, which I'll increase by 2 mm. From here, I can increase the size of the other hole as well by dragging once again to increase the diameter and click OK to incorporate the changes. From here, this file could be saved and exported as a new design to be sent to a collaborator, or put in a drawing to send to a manufacturer.